that we can play Roblox for.
Oh, it's just for Roblox?
Yeah.
And,
It's like TKN.
okay.
Is it?
And,
TKN.
yeah, and it is not just a keyboard, but it has also a mouse pad. Built-in mouse pad. Okay?
It say what the mouse?
Yes. So,
It's the top of computer. It is supersonic computer.
so we will open this one.
It's a supersonic computer.
Okay, so at least even if you are too far, you can operate your laptop.
Send the
Okay.
plans to close.
So
Sense.
here we go.
That's how you do it like this. Then.
Mhm. Yeah, you can operate that one. Okay. So you have your manual and we will see the
If you want for a little loud, put it. If you want to make your volume louder, press this.
oh right.
If not that, press this.
No sound. Press this. Okay. Okay. So this is the most important key. The
The plug.
connectivity dongle. Okay.
It's right on it.
Okay. So put this here first, and then we'll open the other one. Okay.
This one, I took this one too.
Oh, what is this? Can you tell me what is
It
this?
is a folder.
Hmm?
Photower.
Photowear. No, this is a webcam.
What's a webcam?
Webcam is used for your Xbox, and we can also use for
Recording?
Yeah, absolutely. All right. So
When you're excellent are playing,
yeah, when you are excellent on playing, you can
then you
record.
use this.
Yeah, this one, that one. Oh,
Every-
excellent gamer.
Ah, I just use this too.
Mm. First, we're gonna open your webcam. Okay, wait.
I want webcam picture.
Yeah, let me open.
It's built in by the America.
Built in the American.
Yeah.
It's not made in China.
Looks like you need scissor.
Yeah. Is this your scissor?
No. I got my own scissor. My small scissor. That's your
Okay.
cutting for shapes or cutting.
So it looks like this. Oh, it's a huge one. Oh, wait.
Wait. What's this? What is this?
Oh.
What's this on the
Cool
back?
one.
It's supersonic small.
Supersonics. Okay, show it to the camera.
Is this where you record like this? Or keep it like this?
Okay. And you can actually do
Like this?
clipping. Okay. You can put screw
Or
anything you want. Okay.
Even my favorite song,
It's not the music recorder.
but you can just change it.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Or whatever music you want. Let's try this one.
Okay.
This is my
And
most favorite in this one.
most favorite. So what is this?
It is a...
No. This is what we need when we go to our room. Okay. This is a
I don't know.
no. This is a Wi-Fi range extender. It copies the signal of your Wi-Fi to
Cell
the
phone.
yes nearest one. If you cannot copy into your room, we'll put it nearby, then we can use it into our room.
But
Okay?
Tom can copy me. Copy me.
Oh, it's not Tom.
Talking Tom.
Talking so. Oh my goodness.
Talking Tom, whatever he says with puppet or squeak,
It will.
squeak is back.
You will copy.
Yeah, it's just because he's talking Tom.
But this one is different.
Yeah, I know.
This one, we will be.
And it's also a voice recorder
No, this one.
or something can record something that is very far
No, this is like your Wi-Fi.
or
Your Wi-Fi connector.
your cell phone will be charged
No.
or it has Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it's like Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi now.
See? Show it to them.
Look.
See, it's like a butterfly. Oh, be careful.
Ta-da!
Okay.
Magic.
Yeah. So this one goes like this.
Like this? Like this?
Okay, so this one, it has the telephone line or the cable wire line.
Cable wire, right?
Yeah, it can be directly
Or
connected to
it's
the modem. But this one, it is
It's
wireless.
connected by the power
No
line
need,
too.
yeah, no need with that one. You can just
It just
put where the signal is very strong, plug in the device, and then you have this signal antennas. Okay, so you can
antenna.
you can get the signal on your place. That's the
Or
use
in
of this
somebody's
one.
place.
Yeah, this one, even you're out of the building, maybe it can reach to. Okay, so
Or to your front desk's house.
yeah. So that's it. What will you say to them?
Goodbye.
And what else?
Look at the subscribe button. Later, hot potatoes. If you enjoyed this video,
If you
if
enjoyed this
this
video, then like and subscribe with this channel.